I would just say, all the viewers, please subscribe to All Balaji because Punchbeat is one of the biggest shows of All Balaji and something you cannot miss. Because in a really long period, there was never a youth show made, and today the youth show that has been made today is so much fun, reality, and like on such a large scale. Like you must have never gone to a school like that, like such a high maintenance school. At least I didn't go to a school like that. So yeah, please watch All Balaji. 14th Feb on Valentine's Day.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, birthday is all about birthday wishes. Do you have a particular wish for this year?
A particular wish for this year would be I wish myself all the success. And like y'all all know, or I have heard that I'm doing my debut with All Balaji called Punchbeat. So I just hope that comes along to be a big success and everything goes well.
He is very excited. उसकी वेब सीरीज आ रही है पंचबीट and he's very excited कि I want to celebrate my birthday in a big way. So I said, okay, go ahead. And I wish him all the best and let's hope he does well in his first web series.
Okay, talking about the Punchbeat, what was your reaction when you came to know like he is going to?
Well, what can I say? That was his dream, so I think he's living his dream, and I wish him all the best, and he does well. That's what I wish him.
Okay, when he asks about your personal choice, did you always wanted Nikhil to be an actor?
Well, it was not my choice. निखिल को हमेशा से बचपन से ही एक्टिंग करनी थी और when he decided after his graduation that I want to get into acting, I said, go ahead, this is what you want, you will get that. So he did what he wanted.
Okay, when we talk about this year's birthday, so how much special is this year's birthday for Nikhil or for you?
I guess he has never celebrated a birthday in a big way, so he always wanted to do it. So when he told me that I wanted to celebrate my birthday, I said, go ahead. And since Punchbeat was coming, so he was excited that before Punchbeat his birthday is there, so he would want to have it in a big way, and I wish him all the best for that.
Okay, when we talk about your relationship sharing with Nikhil, like how much close you both are? Is he close with you or with his mom? Or
He was very close to his mom.
okay.
And when his mom passed away, that's when I realized that I need to be for him. And I'm there for him now. And always be there for him.
Birthday today, and like what do you want to say, because this birthday is very special for Nikhil. When we talk about like Punchbeat, it's going to be his debut, and which is this year's only. So what would you like to say about it?
We're actually really happy. He's never actually done something for his birthday and he was really waiting for it. So we're glad, and he's moving towards something he's really fond of. So we're just really happy for him.
Yeah, we're really excited, and it's a great stepping stone for him this year. And we hope he exceeds in everything he does.
Okay, when we talk about your relationship with Nikhil, how much close you both are with Nikhil?
So I'm actually a sister. We're really close. He shares everything with me, and I know it's very difficult for me to actually describe what our relationship is, but we're very, very close.
And I'm actually his bhabhi, but he feels more like a younger brother to me. And we've gelled so well in a very short time. And he's so sweet, so yeah.
Okay, being a bhakti and sister, we would definitely like to know that which is that one moment which of with Nikhil, like you won't forget, like that special moment.
There are so many.
Yeah, there are too
It's
many.
So tough to like bring it down to one.
I think actually want to have a really special one when we actually saw his promo and everything.
Yeah.
So we were really happy because that
It
was
very
actually
emotional for all of us.
That's what he actually wanted.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi Kajol.
Hi.
Firstly, it's Nikhil's birthday today, and basically it's a pre-birthday bash.
Yeah, 3 days में उसका birthday है, yes.
So what would you like to say? Because you know, it's very special birthday because Punchbeat है, आप भी है साथ में. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के दिन के?
Actually, as far as I know, Nikhil is celebrating his birthday for the first time. So it's anyway like very... I feel special that I've been invited to this gig because this is like the first time this guy is celebrating his birthday. So that's very overwhelming, and also our show is so close to the release, so we all are extremely excited. So this is one of those ways to unwind and celebrate together, and I'm hoping to see many people from Punchbeat.
Okay, besides this, how's your relationship with Nikhil? And how much do you know?
How much do I like him?
Know him?
Know him? Well, I know him a lot. And it's a problem now. Like when you know someone so much, you know when they're lying, when they're telling the truth, when they're happy, when they're not. So it's amazing that he has been so vulnerable in front of me. And no matter what, I know he loves me a lot. So that's a great thing about our relationship. Ki I can feel like, I can trust him. I can trust him. I don't know about others. So all you other people don't. But I definitely can trust him. I love him a lot.
Okay, how is Nikhil as a friend being around?
He's amazing. He's high even when sober. Like, I mean, you'll meet him, you'll just feel like, bhai, what are you high on? He's excited, he's happy. He hides his, always on, high on the Josh. How's the Josh? His is high.
Okay, lastly, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? First Punchbeat है तो Punchbeat के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Punchbeat ke liye I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are too. Please look forward to Valentine's Day, and make sure after your date or before, just watch us. We have done crazy things, and I think you'll like it. I couldn't find the word. You have to watch it and let me know how you find it. Thank you. Oh, I'm looking taller also. Yes, great. I'll stand like this.
Okay, so Nikhil party is already begun and Kajal is here
Yes.
for your celebration.
I'm his favorite guest. I've arrived. It's done. Like others can.
Yeah.
Okay, so क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्योंकि काजल है फ्रेंड है आपके साथ में पंचबीट में भी दोनों ने साथ में काम किया है तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
काजोल से
नहीं.
मैं क्या कहना चाहूँगा?
एक्साइटेड है इनके आने के लिए?
I am very excited that she's here for my birthday bash, and I'm very excited I'm doing my debut with her, and I'm very excited to see her, and I'm very excited she's in white, so I'm excited.
And party doesn't start till we walk in.
Till we walk in, no
Okay,
shit.
कैसे रिलेशनशिप शेयर करते हैं आप?
आप देख ही रहे हो हम क्या बोले अभी relationship
Sibling
के बारे
rivalry
में.
level.
We have a hate and love relationship.
Love and hate.
Yeah, love
I
and hate
think love
basically.
before.
I mean, we can't live without each other, but we can't even live with each other.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर शो में बात करें तो फिर उसमें किस तरीके का?
Oh, you have to look forward to our dynamic in the show.
अगर हम
It's-
इधर ही सब बोल देंगे तो फिर
Yes.
our show dynamics are crazy. It's like next level.
अगर सिर्फ 14 फेब को कुछ स्पेशल प्लान बना के रखना है
हम सब साथ हैं.
हम सब साथ हैं
And
14
we'll try
Feb
to
को.
watch the show together when it releases.
Yes.
At one of our
Houses,
places. Yeah.
houses. One of
We'll
our houses
see.
will watch the show together, and it's Valentine's Day, so we're going to celebrate Valentine's Day sitting on our bed with a box of popcorn or like a tub of popcorn and watch Punchbeat.
ओके सिंस आप दोनों अपने साथ में मिल ही गए तो एक स्पेशल मोमेंट जरूर जानना चाहेंगे आप लोगों से जो कभी भूल नहीं सकते
बहुत सारे. कौन सा?
When we were doing that, एक take भाई Punchbeat.
Oh yeah, there's a scene which is extremely emotional scene. I'll not give the details. So we were like
सिर्फ हम दोनों है वो scene में. Only
हाँ.
both of us.
और हम लोग our friends just left. They were waiting for us. They're like ये बोलते ही रहेंगे. So हम लोग उस scene को करने के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 15 मिनट थे because we were supposed to pack up by 5:30. It was already 5:15 in the morning. And our director came to me. He's like, Kajol, one take. I was like, yes sir. Then I got him and he's like, क्यों rehearse करना है? We'll do it.
I
We'll
was
do
like
it.
on the spot, one take कर लेंगे. Like
मैंने
we
कहा,
don't need
no.
rehearsal. She's like no rehearse, and I'm like impromptu actor है भाई.
No, we rehearsed 7 times and there are few things which we improvised while doing.
Yeah.
And it went touch wood so beautifully. One take, we were good to go.
One take, one shot, one angle, and killed it from zoom to zoom out. We killed it. One take.
I'll tell you on 14th which scene it was once you've seen the show.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you
you.
guys.
I get Nikhil gives us parties a lot. The rest of the people have, I'm sure they for them is the first time. For us, we get quite a lot.
बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं निखिल ये बेस्ट बर्थडे होनी चाहिए मतलब हम लोग बहुत बहुत एक्साइटेड है
सेम बहुत एक्साइटेड है.
ओके सबसे एक विश जानना चाहेंगे कि निखिल के लिए क्या विश है उनके बर्थडे.
निखिल के लिए बहुत सक्सेस होना चाहिए.
He should learn to drive better.
I agree. He shouldn't be allowed to drive at all.
24 is going to be the big one, Nikhil. This is the year you kill it. You already are, but yes, this is like we're going to more killing.
हैप्पी बर्थडे निखिल. हैप्पी बर्थडे निखिल.
I'm expecting a lot of fun, a lot of getting high, a lot of watching people who've probably, like, I don't know how many drinks down already. Yeah, so all of that.
Okay.
And giving him a lot of birthday bumps.
Okay, what is one wish which you want to give to Nikhil?
I just want to tell him that, so he's basically a very, very helpful person. He'll also go out of the way to help you if he really likes you as a person. So I just want him to be the way he is. Really focus on the career because that's what she's doing these days. And he has this amazing quirkiness when he acts. I think he should retain this in his characters to come.
Okay, you have already done music, but after that Punch Week, you are also there in that.
Yeah.
So what's your character firstly?
My character is Divyanka. She is, she's again this very passionate kid who loves dancing and who wants to, like, dance is her life. But she also, because she's coming to a new school and she's not seen all this happening. So then there's a lot of things that unfold that you'll have to see the show, yaar. And I don't want to make it sound like an interview because I'm dying to go inside and party.
Okay, निखिल के साथ कैसा bond share करते
बहुत ही अच्छा. मतलब from day one, I think our first reading session, that day only we became very good friends. So he's that person who gives you that vibe that, you know, you can be friendly and then we've been like just very like gelling up with each other a lot.
Okay, it's the day for Nikhil. So obviously एक ऐसा moment जानना चाहिए आपसे which you can never forget with Nikhil.
That I've said it in the, I don't know, there's something happening inside उसमें मैंने बोला है. But I think there was one time when we had gone out, all of us, and I was not in a condition to actually take the car back to my like place. So he made sure that his driver picks the car, drops it to my house, and so that was very, very sweet of him. Like, he only told me that I know I'll do it for you. So yeah, that's one incident I remember. Now I can't recall any other.
Okay, lastly क्या कहना चाहेंगे निखिल?
Happy birthday, have a great year, and just be the way you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
दिमाग हो गया है, तुम पढ़ता तो है नहीं, WhatsApp बोलता नहीं है हमारा भाई, but he's come, that is more than enough. जी मैं सच बताऊं, मैं दिल्ली में था कल रात को, मेरी फ्लाइट में मिस हो गई। मुझे एक चीज़ पता था, क्योंकि मेरा 6 महीने से दिमाग खराब हो रहा था कि मुझे इसको बर्थडे पे आना है। मैं स्पेशली डेट वो ऑफिस में आया हूँ कि मैं इसका बर्थडे डेट कैंसिल करूँ, वरना मैं कल भी आ सकता था, पर मैं आया नहीं। You can't punch beat भाई का बर्थडे और नई वेब सीरीज भी आ रही है और म्यूजिक वीडियो भी आ रहा है और भाई अभी आप चीजें बर्थडे एक दूसरे का right now right
Okay, roll.
no I will it's not no I will
Okay, so प्रियांक निखिल का एक्साइटमेंट तो हमने देख
सबने देख लिया वो आज सबने देख लिया ये ऐसा ही है लड़का
आपका एक्साइटमेंट जानना चाहेंगे निखिल का
आई एम very much excited मैं स्पेशली एक्चुअली बॉम्बे इसकी वजह से आया हुआ ना मैं कल आने वाला था एंड आई मिस माई फ्लाइट ऑल्सो इन द मॉर्निंग सो आई टुक अनदर फ्लाइट जस्ट बिकॉज ये 6 महीने से मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रखा था यू वोंट बिलीव दैट प्री मेरा बर्थडे है आना है सो यू नो आई वांट टू मेक it a special day because it's his day and we all love him so much. He's the gem of a person. Look at him right now. So that's he's a lovely person. So you know, very good with very good heart. So that's what.
Time to double celebrate. You know, Punch Beat आने वाली है 14 Feb.
Yes. True that.
कितने excited Punch Beat के लिए?
We are really excited. We are keeping our fingers crossed. I hope हम सबकी मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा काम और रंग लाए. And we are just hoping that हमारा काम आप लोगों को impress करे और entertain करे.
Okay, और बालाजी, विकास गुप्ता plus you know निखिल सबके साथ में काम करने का experience.
Amazing है, amazing set of people. हम जब भी ये इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी है और कहते हैं उतनी ही छोटी भी है, तो हम टकराते भी हैं सब साथ में. तो इट्स डेफिनेटली यू नो आप नए नए फेसेस से मिलते हैं, नए नए लोगों के साथ काम करते हैं, उनका क्राफ्ट शेयर करते हैं, तो आप खुद बहुत सीखते हैं और मैं सीखने का बहुत भूखा हूँ. तो यू नो मैं थोड़ा बात सबसे ले लेता हूँ और खुद सीख लेता हूँ और खुद अच्छा बन जाता हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
प्रियांक also बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके आने वाले
हाँ जी.
हैं जो ऑलरेडी बहुत
True that.
हैं, तो उसके बारे में कुछ तो
Definitely, there's one music video coming. Punchbeat is coming in Feb, and there's one more announcement I'll be doing very soon. Not right now, but that's not the time. And yes, it's birthday also. And अभी के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. January 2019 के लिए आपके लिए बहुत न्यूज़ है ये.
अगर न्यू ईयर बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेकर आ रहा है तो स्टार्ट तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. क्या कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं
मैं कभी एक्सपेक्ट करता नहीं, पर जो आ रहा है मेरे पास मैं बहुत खुश हूँ उसी से. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड एवरी डे. सो यू नो लविंग दिस लाइफ गाइज. थैंक्स टू यू ऑल.
प्रियांक पंचबीट के कैरेक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत.
राहत तो पूरी जो स्टोरी है बेसिकली पंचबीट की वो राहत के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखेंगे आप. तो राहत के जैसे आंखों से आप पूरा का पूरा स्टोरी देख रहे हैं बिकॉज ही इज़ द मेन कैरेक्टर इन द एंटायर सीक्वेंस. आप पोस्टर्स भी देखेंगे तो आप समझ जाएंगे. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत इंटेंस है, बहुत पेन है राहत के कैरेक्टर में. एंड यू नो यू विल लाइक द इंटेंसिटी बिकॉज ज़्यादातर दुनिया ने मुझे आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत हंसते खेलते हुए एज अ रोमांटिक पर्सन देखा है, बट नेवर सीन मी ऑन दैट साइड वेयर आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर. So Rahat is playing that I'm playing Rahat as a character, so it's definitely a challenge for me, and I hope I will be making justice to that Rahat. So I hope you guys will like it.
स्पेशल डे है तो वन स्पेशल मोमेंट जो आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते निखिल के साथ.
I think the nights we have, you know, निखिल और मेरी दोस्ती ही बहुत गहरी इसी चक्कर में हुई जब हमने साथ में कुछ अतीश और राहत का एक बॉन्ड है शो में जो आप लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा. तो उसको बनाते ही ना, उसको प्रिपेयर करते ही ना, हमारा जो हम रात में स्क्रिप्ट्स में बैठते थे सबके सब, मैं, काजोल, निखिल और यू नो वही बेसिकली वो रातें हैं, वो टाइम है जब हम बैठते थे सारे के सारे सेट्स पे. तो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. देहरादून हमारा बहुत अच्छा टाइम था, मुझे याद है निखिल और मेरा. सो एंड हम सबका एक्चुअली. सो येस दैट्स वन ऑफ द मेमोरीज.
ओके, लास्टली वन विश फॉर निखिल एंड पंचबीट के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए?
पंचबीट आई होप यू गाइज विल लाइक इट. हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत है 1.5 साल की. मेरी सिद्धार्थ की, विकास की, एकता मैम की और हर्षिता, खुशी, सिंधु, कृष्णा, जितने निकी मैम, समीर सर, सिंधुजा, जितने भी लोग हैं हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत है. एंड आई होप यू गाइज विल लाइक इट. एंड यस टच वुड, जय माता दी, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
प्रियांक 14 फेब वैलेंटाइंस डे भी है, आपके लिए
कुछ प्लान नहीं है, मैं इवेंट कर रहा हूँ, मैं प्रमोशंस में बिजी हूँ एंड यस यही मैं कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, one wish for all the lovers on Valentine's Day.
सो गाइज प्लीज़ प्यार करते रहिए, प्यार करेंगे तो और भी चीज़ें होंगी, और चीज़ें होंगी तो और भी चीज़ें होंगी, तो वो सब करते रहिए, एंजॉय कीजिए यार अपना वैलेंटाइंस. हमारी तरह नहीं, हम तो काम कर रहे हैं वैलेंटाइंस पे भाई. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. थैंक यू.
If I pull my dress down, don't put that in the video.
Okay, so hi Meenakshi.
Hi.
It's Nikhil's birthday today, pre-birthday bash है. क्या कुछ expect करिए कितना अंदर fun करने वाले हैं?
बहुत फन करने वाले हैं हम लोग. निखिल has been a good friend for a really long time now यार. Actually not a really long time. It's just been 6 months, but it feels like forever because we vibed the first time we met. बहुत मज़ा आता है हमें जब भी साथ में होते हैं. बहुत cool है, बहुत fun है, बहुत sweet है and very pleasant to be around. So really excited to celebrate for him, with him.
Okay, double celebration इससे भी हो जाता है क्योंकि पंचमी भी होता है और आपके लिए तो दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, प्रियांक शर्मा भी है पंचमी.
बहुत सारे friends हैं. Almost all of them that are working in Panchveer are my friends. So I'm really excited for all of them. The trailer, the teaser looks amazing. It looks very promising और बहुत ही मतलब जब मैं when I was younger, I'm 22, I'm not old guys, but when I was like in my 17s and 18s, it's a very teenage or loving show, you know, we had those shows जो हम सारी लड़कियाँ घर जाके देखती थी, oh my god, ये लड़का hot, ये लड़का, so it's a very nice, very good looking, very well carved out show.
मैंने आपसे also जानना चाहिए कि अगर इस तरीके का रोल आपको मिले तो फिर आप कितनी एक्साइटेड होंगे?
कोई किस तरीके का?
Like you know young characters जैसे
young character is, I mean, I think every youngster, every youth icon, every जो भी इंडस्ट्री में आना भी चाहते हैं, who've not been on TV ever, everybody would prefer doing a young character, doing their own age, because that's what we understand best, I guess. Acting to care, you know, you have to get into the role for every character that you get, but who wouldn't want to play a young, fun character?
Okay, निखिल के बारे में जानना चाहिए, since you said आप friend हैं उनकी, तो एक best moment जो आप कभी नहीं भूलेंगे?
I think it has to be जब प्रियांक और मैं एक बार लड़ रहे थे और हम दोनों साथ में थे, we were traveling somewhere for work, तो बहुत ही गंदी सी लड़ाई हुई थी, एकदम वर्बल. सो उसके बाद शट अप यू शट अप ऐसे सब, तो उसके बाद निखिल का कॉल आया. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल वेरी स्वीट मेमोरी. आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, व्हेनेवर आई सी हिम आई रिमेंबर दैट. तो निखिल का फ़ोन आता है और प्रियांक सॉरी बोलने लगा मुझे, उसकी थोड़ी फ़ोन आने से थोड़े पहले. तो निखिल फ़ोन पे आया और प्रियांक ने बोला अभी वो बात नहीं करिए, गुस्सा है एक्सेट्रा. तो मैंने भी दूर से बोला हाय निखिल ऐसे. तो निखिल ने बोला कि बेन को फ़ोन दो. सो ही ये द फ़ोन टू मी, प्रियांक गिव द फ़ोन टू मी एंड ही वाज लाइक हाय ब्यूटीफुल, और it was the instant smile. So you know, as I said, उसका hair, he just is very pleasant to talk to and to just be around.
Okay, Meenakshi, any upcoming projects?
Lots. So I'm doing a very important thing with Netflix. It's the first originally produced Netflix film Indian. So I'm really excited for it. We've got a fabulous, fantastic cast. Then I'm shooting with NBA basketball and Times for a new show on basketball. That's a lot of fun. Lots of celebrity guests coming in. Priyank is also coming. Prince, Ali, Shantanu, Karishma Sharma, Nidhi. All these people are coming. So it's a great thing that's going on. And uske alawa MTV is always there. So I'm shooting for 2 shows. I shot for 2 shows. One is on air and it just got done. Finale aa raha hai. और दूसरा is another style-based show. So that I'm really excited about. That we finished shooting for. It's gonna come on air very soon.
Okay, lastly निखिल के लिए एक wish और क्या कहना चाहिए?
Nikhil, buddy, happy birthday. I love you, you know that. Or just keep being this happy person that you are, because the world needs more of people like you.
Thank you.
Thanks.